Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Telegram too many attempts, please try again later. And here's how it is done. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Sometimes connectivity issues can cause problems while trying to log in or send messages. If not, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app to clear the cache. Just go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Scroll down until you locate the Telegram app and click on the arrow. Tap Offload App. This will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. Next, make sure you are using the latest version of Telegram. Go to the Play Store or App Store. Search for Telegram and update it if necessary. If possible, try logging in on a different device. This can help determine if the issue is with your device or account. If you have been sending messages to many users or joining multiple groups, Telegram may temporarily restrict your account. If you suspect this is the case, you might need to wait until the restriction lifts. If the problem persists and you believe it is an error, you can contact Telegram support through the app or via their official website, telegram.org. And that is everything you need to know about how to fix Telegram too many attempts. Please try again later. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.